Can you turn over? Yay! There you go. You're starting to do it. Since you've already done it like 8 times today. Good job! Good job. Good job. Can you roll over all the way? Can you do it all the way? Can you get your arm over? Oh, now you're going to roll back the other way. Look at you. Look at you, so smart. So smart. So smart. Can you get that arm out of your way? You got it. You're doing good. There you go. That's good. Good job. Good job. Good job, buddy. I know. Well, if you stop eating that hand and put it down, you might be able to actually get the other hand out. There you go! Good job, buddy! Good job. Very good. You are a stud. Say, I am a stud. Good job. Oh, are you going to try and turn it back over? No?